Hi. The new DH3660Z projector is a Full HD laser projector with lens shift. This new laser projector has a compact size and weighs just 7 kilos. It has a laser light source for durability, color accuracy and up to 20,000 hours of operation. It has a custom brightness feature, which allows you to adjust the brightness between 25 and 100% for longevity of the light source. There is also adjustable fan management. This allows you to automatically and dynamically adapt the fan speed by lowering the brightness, which results in 29 decibels in eco mode, resulting in less noise, so the projector is very quiet. The projector has 4500 lumens, a contrast ratio of 20,000:1 and HDMI 1.4a. With a throw ratio between 1.39 and 2.09:1, you get a big picture at a budget-friendly price. In addition to this series, we have the DU3661Z with HD-T and the DH3665ZN with Novo Connect built in. They will be available later this year. For more information about our services and products, please visit vivitek.eu.